How to block someone from commenting on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app. Next, go to your profile. Then click on any one post of yours. Go to the comment section. Tap on the profile of the person that you want to block from commenting. From the top right, click on the share icon. Search for the block option. Again, tap on the block button to confirm. If you want specific groups like friends or followers to block from commenting, tap on the three horizontal lines. Select Settings and Privacy. Click on Privacy option. Then tap on the Comments button. Click on the Allow Comments from option. Now choose any one option. And that's it.